Okay, today we're gonna use this little gadget and see how it boils water. I'm gonna make myself a coffee. So, all fancy and everything. I think I'm gonna use my let me see, what am I using? I also need to do some rice. This cafe is good. I'm gonna use this marshmallow cream. Instead of sugar or anything else, leaves my coffee super good. I can use a little bit of vanilla, but we'll see right now. It's gonna be a Starbucks style. Just need to find my cup that I can find. I think I left it in the other room. See how it boils. I love this thing. I'm gonna leave my fork here while it does it. I'm gonna go get my cup. Okay, somebody interrupted me when I was trying to do my coffee. I put my favorite pot right there. That's the Cosori original. I got it from Amazon. This is the box where it comes with. Okay. Oops. Let's see if I can put this thing out. Here. I usually like putting my coffee first, so I don't have to do a lot of shaking. And it blends everything very good. I'm a person updating everything, so I'm gonna use this. Especially for desserts, you can do anything with it. Very like creamy. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it inside. I put my coffee in it. Usually I use one of this. Okay. Put a little bit more of one. I really like mine. Like one a little bit more. Of the Nescafe Classico. Just waiting for the water to boil. The reason I put this in the bottom is so it mixes with the hot water right away, rather than like mix it with a spoon. But well, of course, I still have to mix it a little bit more, but it helps somehow. Not a lot. So we're gonna wait for this to boil. And I got my cream ready, which is my marshmallow cream. I love that thing. Good eye. You can also add, I don't know, chocolate if you like. I usually use this one with the coffee mate as well. And you can see it. This is hazelnut. I just put a little tiny bit because the cream is already like super sweet. So I just for flavor, just like a little sugar. If you want a frother, you can do that, but I don't really into that. But we'll see right now what my coffee looks like. You see, it looks like a little mess in here. I'm just waiting for the hot water. Let's see how this goes. Okay. Oh, this pot. I just can't even get over it. Is it color blue? Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Sorry for the mess. I need to get ready because I'm ready to go get some tamales. Bomb tamales, if you ask me. One friend is selling them. Well, his niece is selling them. I just need to pick up, but I'm super mega late because I'm waiting for hubby. But of course, I cannot start my day without my coffee. So since I already start everything, we'll see how this one works. I mean, that's hot enough for me. You want to super boil the water, you can do that too. Usually you can accumulate so much calcium into the pot. It's not hot enough. What I use is a little tiny bit of vinegar. The manual actually says that it's more water than like about a cup of vinegar, I think. But I don't really use that much. It's just like well, for miracles with a few ounces. You don't really have to put a lot. And the water, of course, it will be good as new. How it boils. This is so beautiful to look at. And satisfying too. Because there's a little string in it there. Beautiful. See, it turns off by itself and it's ready to pour. Let's see, I got hiccups already. It's super cold today. See what I mean? Okay, right there. And this has to melt. If you want it hotter than that, you can just, it starts to melt. You can see the foam in it. It looks so beautifully. Look. I actually also bought this thing from Amazon. I saw it and like I was thinking it for work, but I mean I don't work having coffees, but we prepare sauces, and let me see if I can open it so I can show you how to mix it. I have previously used it, but then I put it back in the package because I don't know, I don't want to lose everything. So it comes with all these things in it, and it has a charger because of course I don't want to waste money on batteries. So it's this little thing and this little thing. So I guess I could use this one. So let me just give it a rinse. I'm gonna wash it, and I'll show you right now. So basically, you just have to like stick the thing into it. And you just turn it on, and I don't know if you can see it. It has 3 speeds. Let's see this. See? Just be careful. Okay, let's do this. I mean, let me take out the spoon. I'm gonna put it in my lid right here. Okay guys, be careful when you do this. And not splash yourself. It has another speed and that's 3. See? It's hard to do it with one hand, but if you do it, you'll learn. Okay, I think that's enough. Do you see it? This is what this thing does. It creates a foam. It's called Frother. Frother. I really like it. You see? Just rinse it and put it back right there. Okay, so this is it for today. This is this little guy right here. Makes miracles. Let me pick up my stuff.